Montessori method is very close to my heart. It resonates completely with the way of my life. This occasion of the sports day today is something very special and being very important for children too.
After 2+ years of COVID lockdown, Golden Arch is doing this annual event, and Sports Day event is something which is first time for our daughter at Golden Arch.
During the inactive COVID years, post-COVID has been something that children are seeking for, some physical activity and the social interactions. The theme for this sports day is Marvel 2022. This was mainly to showcase children as the superheroes. Physical activity is something which is always part of our structure. At Golden Arch, we actually look at nurturing the qualities of sportsmanship in children. And our culture is to excel rather than compete.
When both of us met Anupama ma'am for the first time earlier this year, her passion towards education, her passion towards the holistic growth of the children was something which was very, very inspiring.
My vision is to create individuals who can bring out their complete potentials, lead most successful lives, most importantly lead happy lives, and also individuals who can become an asset to the society.
Even the other teachers at Golden Arch, the kind of empathy, the kind of respect, the way they focus on each and every individual children, their needs, is something which I think is very, very good.
I have been nurtured by my mentor, Dr. Daisaku Ikeda, and he says, true education broadens and deepens the mind and forges a healthy body. It also cultivates the intellect and passion. The message that I would like to give everyone, or the Montessori curriculum would give children, is that let us not be greedy, let us be balanced, and let us be considerate to ourselves and others so that we create a better world.
Anupama ma'am has announced a great news this year that they would be starting a kinder school at Electronic City, which is a farm school where children will be learning farming along with schooling. So which is a blessing for parents like us who are urban farmers. And we are very happy and lucky that our daughter Shaivi is at the right place.
I see not just the academic aspect, sports, I think we can see right now, but the emotions and how the interpersonal skills, and it's not about what you want to convey. It's all about how the other guy is perceiving it. So all that I see being imbibed in the right balanced way in Rehan. So I think thanks to Golden Arch, and
we feel really blessed and very, very honored that Rehan is continuing his learning journey at Golden Arch.
We were the first Montessori school in HSR layout, starting in 2004. And in 2012, we started our elementary program in the Montessori method. And this also was the first of its kind. And we are the only government-recognized Montessori school. Now, we are going to launch our adolescent program in the Montessori method for high school children in 2024 in Electronic City.